what can we do to help the Connecticut economy? How can we listen, we all need to support your success, because if DECD is successful, then that means we're all going to be more successful. So what can we do to help?
Yeah, I think there's really three things that come to mind. One is engage your legislators. I think it's really important that that there's engagement with state legislatures, whether it's in the House or in the Senate, really important, in addition to DECD, in addition to, I think a lot of folks are part of CBIA or CMC and a lot of the other great groups that are around there, but I think it's important to engage your legislatures and let them know what are the constraints on your business and how they can be helpful in that regard. The second thing is I do think there needs to be a dialogue with the state from a policy perspective, again, away from with the executive branch, whether that's DECD or labor, to understand and communicate, like with MIF, there's so much stuff going on, but right now this MIF and the Workforce Council and the workforce initiatives, those are big things that we're focused on for manufacturing. But I think that's right based on all the feedback I got, but we want to make sure that we're on the executive branch side, that we're working in tandem with folks. And then the last thing, which I think really is a lot of folks are doing, but I always think we can do more, is this collaboration with the educational community. And again, through the Workforce Council here, to make sure that that the state shouldn't be creating jobs or skills or outcomes where there isn't a job for that. I mean, we have more jobs than we have people here in the state of Connecticut that can fill those jobs. We need to hear from businesses on what are the skills needed and what can the state, and whether it's the community college or UConn or Yale, do to help get to the finish line.